Washington, D.C. A rowdy group of high schoolers tear it up on a late-night binge.
Snow rules, bitch ass.
The boys burn rubber in a department store parking lot. But when that gets old, they decide to burn something else. An unsuspecting bystander's car.
They're gonna park right next to him and throw the firework at him.
The drive-by turns into an unintentional blow-up. The goons get their comeuppance when the fireworks explode in their own car. High on their adrenaline rush,
Look at Ted smoking.
the small-time arsonists don't realize that they could have gone up in flames.
This went off like right in the middle of the car. There's pieces of firework everywhere.
Luckily, no one is injured. At least, not seriously.
It burned my ass! All right, let me get out of here.
Though their actions were illegal, in the end, there was no need to call in the heat. They brought it themselves.
It burned my ass!